KWIC contains over 300 indicators that are organized into 6 life areas of child well-being. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create and export reports for these indicators, as well as view supporting information. We'll begin on the home page by selecting an indicator. There are 2 ways to select an indicator from the home page. You can click the KWIC Indicator Data button, or users that are familiar with KWIC may want to select an indicator from this drop-down list. I'm going to click the KWIC Indicator Data button. You are brought to a page that lists all the indicators by the Touchstone's life areas of economic security, physical and emotional health, education, civic engagement, family, and community. For this example, I'm going to choose the physical and emotional health life area and then select adolescent pregnancies ages 15 to 17 years. The first thing you will notice is a bar chart displaying this indicator's rates for the state, rest of state, and each county. This is intended to provide a quick visual presentation of what the indicator report is showing. All indicator reports display a predetermined base year, in this case 2000, along with a current year, which is the most current year of data available on KWIC. At first glance, you can see that the rate of adolescent pregnancies has decreased considerably from the base year. There are 2 visual aids that help you to quickly see this. You can see from the bar chart that the adolescent pregnancy rates in 2000 were higher in most counties, and the rates decreased in 2008. Also notice that as I mouse over the bars, the county names, years, and rates are displayed. The second visual aid provided are the arrows to the right of the data that indicate either a decrease or increase from the base year. So now let's take a closer look at the indicator report. Data are provided for all counties in New York State as a whole, New York City as a whole, and for each borough, as well as rest of state, which represents all of New York State minus New York City. A number and rate are displayed for both the base and current years. You have the option to change both the base and current years to any 2 years you would like by clicking the down arrows shown here and hitting the Go button. I'll go ahead and change the base year to 2005, and a new report is generated displaying my new selection. The bar chart automatically changes to display those new years. Notice that the regions and counties on the left are links that link to their respective county reports. Notes are also provided at the bottom of the data table, providing important information to help better understand the indicator and any particular nuances that are important to know when viewing a selected indicator. Some notes are related to specific data points, and when you see a symbol near text or a number, simply mouse over the symbol to display the note. This report contains a couple of different symbols. When I mouse over this information symbol, a note is displayed explaining that due to the small number of events in Essex and Hamilton counties, the numbers have been aggregated to protect confidentiality. You can also see that the asterisk shows that rates are not stable when the number is less than 20. I'm going to go back up to the title now and show you how to view indicators related to adolescent pregnancies. You can see in this example you have 2 drop-down lists to select from. The first drop-down list allows you to select from all indicators available on KWIC. You will find this drop-down on every indicator report page. However, some indicator reports will have a second drop-down list. Simply click the drop-down arrow to view a list of related indicators. In this example, you can see that all the adolescent births and pregnancy indicators by different age groups are available, allowing you to quickly view related reports. I can easily change this report to view adolescent births ages 15 to 17 years. You will also notice some very important links up at the top of the table. Every indicator contains a narrative. The narrative displays all the related indicators, the touchstone's life area where the indicator is stored, the definition of the indicator, the significance of the indicator, along with the current findings and any special notes that you should be aware of. All indicators also have related data sources. Data sources provide very important information related to your selected data set. First, the life area is again displayed for you. The data provider refers to the actual organization that maintains the data and uploads it into KWIC. The population source describes the population from which the indicator numbers are derived. The year date compiled tells you the month and year your selected data set was run or compiled. Be sure to note the date compiled because your data sets are updated often. If you notice that data have changed, the date compiled may explain why. Notes are the last item in the data sources. As mentioned earlier, notes provide you with important information to consider while viewing your data set. As noted earlier, the KWIC indicators are organized into 6 life areas of child well-being. The life area link shown here is telling you that this indicator resides in the physical and emotional health life area, and when I click on it, it brings me to the physical and emotional health life area page, which describes the life area, the touchstones, goals, and objectives for that life area, and also lists and provides links to all the indicators that reside in that life area. You can click on other tabs on this page to learn about the different life areas of well-being. The links in the box to the right, Map Builder, Graph Builder, and Download, are all additional things you can do with your indicator report. Click the Map Builder to view a graduated map representation of the current year of data. Click the Graph Builder to use the Graph Builder tool on your selected indicator, or click the Download link to download data from the indicator report into Excel for further manipulation. Please view our additional tutorials to learn more about using these data tools.